Welcome to BC Spirits, Spirit of Day number 15. Today's something a little bit special. Well, everything's been special. I keep saying special. I need better adjectives. So, Spirit of Tea, their Earl Grey black tea infused gin, made by Anderson's for Tierra Beverages in Coquitlam. So, really great gin. Then they infuse it with Earl Grey tea. Now, you can use a ton of stuff like this. Now you can do your own, but at the end of the day, when we're all stuck in indoors for isolation and quarantine and whatnot, we can support local brands by buying stuff that we might normally not buy. Oh wow! On the nose, you're getting that sort of vanilla black tea straight away. That doesn't mess you around. Gin first, you get all those beautiful gin botanicals. Then you get that beautiful, it's not over tannic, which is something you have to always be careful of when you're doing tea infusions, that you don't get over tannic sort of flavor profiles. It's aromatic Earl Grey tea. Fantastic, deep. It plays on the tongue for a while. Oh, that's great. So Earl Grey black tea infused gin from the Spirit of Tea. They also have a fantastic vanilla rooibos liqueur, which I might be tasting. I tasted this a little while ago in the infused gin selection. But that's number 15. Go and get a bottle or order online. You can use this for Earl Grey tea martinis is probably the best bet. Or just try it up in a classic martini. Tweak up a little bit of the vermouth, maybe a Beaufort dry vermouth. Something like that. This is a perfect little example. So, Spirit of the Day, 15. There you go. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.